In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D text. Very simple, nothing complicated. So let's jump right into this video. So right click and open Infusion on your video, on your image. And then here, what we can do is first is to grab text. We need Merge 3D and Render 3D. And if you don't waste time to connect, just select text and then click here and then run, because we need them connected. And now just select, just grab this and here, so we can have a merge. And we also need some directional light and connect this to the merge. And if we see this here, we have click on text. And now, first, we need to go, if you hold Alt, you see around, you don't have any extrusion. Let's click on extrusion. Here, increase depth, go to render, enable light and shadows. Select your directional light, shadows here. Transform, use target. I like to use target. You know, and now you can add some interesting stuff. Just play with light. It's, you set the light the way you want. And that's about it. Now you have a 3D text. I hope you are happy. Now I have a 3D text. In fact, I really like this. Looks good. So thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your questions down below. Thank you so much for watching and take care.